Hey everybody, today we're going to make some lip love. You're probably thinking, what the heck's lip love, Susan? Lip love is my favorite lip balm. I make it put in a little thing like this. It's not like a chapstick. It's like this. I love it. I have it on my lips right now. It's good. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it. I discovered this because I was trying to make an eye serum. And I was trying to make an eye serum. I put too much beeswax in it and it turned out to be like seriously the best lip balm I've ever had in my life. So I always have it. In the summertime, I like to use it as a lip mask at night. In the wintertime, I just like to use it. But it's really simple. You know, a few years ago when I started looking into making lip balms and stuff, and I realized that, you know, you could do 50% any kinds of oils and 50% beeswax and you got a balm, you got a lip balm. So my ratio is a little bit different than that. I'm gonna give you the recipe to this because it's Memorial Day. And I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the country that we live in. I'm grateful for the people around me, and I'm grateful for all three of my dads who served in the military. And they all, I mean, they weren't all three my dads at the same time, but they were all three my dads, and they've all affected me in really terrific ways. So anyway, I'm gonna make a patriotic soap today. I'm just not gonna put it up this week. I might put it up Friday. But I did say lip love, so that's what we're doing today. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. Okay, so the thing with making cosmetic situations or, you know, things like that, lip balms and lotions and things that aren't soap, is that, good Lord, I think I had an extra finger. I could not get this glove on. You have to sanitize like everything. Like all of your little utensils that you use to stir stuff, all of your little things that you're gonna put your product in, everything that you have ingredients in, it all has to be done. And I know that you guys are smart cookies, but I like to use a paper towel that is like down in the roll, that doesn't have a lot of lint and stuff. That's pretty good. I put a fresh piece of parchment paper on. I will just spray and just wipe it out. And that's what I'll do. Or if I'm not gonna use them for a while, like these, I'll just spray it and let it dry, you know? Just give it a spray, just give it a little spritz and let it dry. Because alcohol dries pretty quickly, right? That's right. Okay. Okay, so it's really simple to make lip balm, and this recipe is super duper simple. So in here, I have 3 ounces of sweet almond oil. I have 1/2 ounce of jojoba oil and 1/2 ounce of olive oil. I need to squirt in my vitamin E oil, which is right here, and it's just, you know, it's just vitamin E oil. And really, it says to use a 1/2 teaspoon. I just squirt. Just give it a good squirt. You know. 2 ounces of coconut oil. So 2 ounces of coconut oil. I'll break it up a little bit. It doesn't matter because we have to melt this beeswax stuff in here too anyway. And I've got 3 ounces of beeswax. I use the pastilles because it makes my life easy. And I like the yellow kind best, but sometimes the yellow kind smells a little more like beeswax, which I love, quite frankly, but some people don't, so I just get this. And we're just gonna put this in the microwave for like 2 minutes. That's it. Maybe not even 2. We'll check it in like 1:15. So here we go. Okay, we've been in there for about 1:15. You can see these little beeswaxes are starting to melt. And we just want to get everybody incorporated. We want to get everybody melted and incorporated. So let's I think it's gonna have to have a little more time. Yeah. It's melted. Just about, anyway. So we're gonna stir the rest of these little pastilles in here. So look how quick that went. Yeehaw, yeehaw. So my other ingredients for this is, I'm gonna be very careful about the temperature of this because I'm using essential oils. Essential oils have a flash point and we're under it. So, I mean, it's okay. So I have peppermint essential oil. I really have just like about 5 drops of it, honestly. I have pearl powder, which I got from a company called Moon Juice, and I like this stuff. It's powdered up pearl. I dig it. And then for my color, so I have Gold Dust Mica from Nurture Soap and Wild Strawberry from Nurture Soap. Now, both of these are Enviro glitters. Look, does that look like summertime lips to you? Hello. Looks like I might have worked at the Dairy Queen in 1971. I'm not sure, but I dig it. It's gonna be good, but we're not gonna put that much in here. But we gotta pay attention to that it says here that it's safe for lips, and it is. And this one is also safe for lips. Hips, lips, and fingertips. There we go. So before we put that in, we're gonna put our essential oil in. Boop, just like that. Get that stirred around. Stir in our pearl powder. So as far as oils go for lip balm, you know, I always figure if they can go in my belly, they can go in my mouth, right? I mean, that's what I think. But check it out. See what's good for your mouth and what's not. I try to use things like olive oil and sunflower oil, which quite frankly is a really not celebrated oil, I think, enough. It's a really great oil. It's a great oil for soaping. I've started using it last year, and I'm going to tell you, I love it. It makes me happy. My soaps are really a little more bubbly, and they are a whole lot more moisturizing. Is that a word? So anyway, this is easy. See, look, this is all of our ingredients. Stir it all around. This is not going to give us too much color. It's not going to give us too much flavor, but it sure is going to look pretty in that pot. Don't you agree? I mean, look, come on, that's just a swirling fantasy of love right there. I'm not going to lie that this Pyrex is hot. All right. So we have all of our little situations on our tray, all of our little containers. And they've all been sanitized, just like this. And we're just gonna form it. Yeah. So, you know, Ancestry.com this weekend had military records open, which was interesting for me. But all 3 of my dads were in the military. My biological dad was in the Navy, and he was on a submarine. He actually died from asbestosis because he had to sleep under a vent in a submarine for a lot of years, and he had asbestos in his lungs from it. My stepfather, first stepfather, that that raised me a lot. He was also in the Navy. But look, let me tell you what's something funny I found. Like, my Uncle Bob and my dad, my first daddy, they were really good friends. I mean, they were rascals. They got in trouble all the time. And when I found their military records on Ancestry.com. Like my Uncle Bob was first and my daddy was second. It was hilarious. It made me laugh so hard. I was like, ha ha ha, you two. You know, it made me feel good. It made me feel like they were around. But my second dad, he was in the Navy as well. And then my current stepfather was in the Army. And he was stationed in Hawaii. That's all I think that's gonna do. This extra glitter one belongs to me. He was stationed in Hawaii. It has a lot of great stories to tell about Hawaii. So I'm grateful for those people in my life. Look, I'm so grateful that I have both my dad and my Uncle Bob's rotten DNA in me. I'm so happy that I got both. I got double dose of that because they are rascals, and I kind of like that. I mean, I'm not a big rascal, but I like the rascally part of me. So grateful for that. But the other two dads, they taught me responsibility and how to be kind and how to just accept people for who they are and meet people from where they're at. So this is lip love. You can do this. You can make lip love all day long. You can make look how fast that went. So make some lip love. Love your lips. Love everybody else's lips if you get the chance. I mean, it works for me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I know this is a shorty short, but I am gonna edit the soap video and I'll probably put it up on Friday. But I love you, Mises to pieces. Thank you so much. If you are a regular or current subscriber, thank you. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for giving me joy, especially when you comment. Makes me happy. If you want to be a subscriber, man, hooray! And participate. You know, talk to me. Say something to us. Let's all talk about stuff. You know, we all know stuff, right? Anyway, I love you, Mises to pieces. Thank you again so much. Thanks for clicking to watch. And if you give me a thumbs up, man, that's happy Megan. So we'll see you in a few more days, okay? Hope you're doing something good today, like cooking out. We cooked out last night. I loved it. I'm gonna cook out again tonight. All right, there's something about eating food off a fire. Happy Memorial Day. If you were in the service, thank you so much for your sacrifice, and I am grateful for you. So take care of yourselves. Have some fun today. Don't blow your thumbs off if you're doing the fireworks. Just don't do it. See you later. Bye-bye.